See, and it's just so cute. And it's super easy to do. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am gonna show you guys how I get my wavy, kind of like beach wave looking thing, but it's gonna be like a half up do, half down. It like brings volume into your hair, and it's just like, I don't know, makes you look so cute. To begin the video, I obviously probably need to put my hair down. It's a mess, and I have not washed my hair in like 3 days now.
Oh, you nasty.
But yeah, I'm trying to grow out my hair because está bien seco, like the tips. It's like really dry, and I know I need to trim. So first off, let's go ahead and start by brushing my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this regular brush here that I have, and since it's really kind of tangled, you might want to start with the tips. So I'm gonna start with the tips and then work my way up. Oh my gosh, mi pelo está bien seco. Por eso no me gusta lavarme el pelo like todos los días. Like, I like when it gets greasy because it's just, you get to brush the oils through your hair para que esté más saludable. Okay, now since it's obviously been like 3 days that I haven't washed my hair, I will go in with a little bit of dry shampoo. Right now I'm using the Dove Care Between Washes. It's for volume, fullness, dry shampoo. It's this one. I'm gonna get it with a couple shakes. This I kind of just sprayed on all over, and just because it is gonna give you volume. Okay, now we're just gonna let that marinate in there. I do use, this is the waver I use. This is not a crimper. Crimpers are usually like smaller and tighter little waves, but this is a waver. Mira, hasta aquí dice wave. And the brand that I'm using is by Bedhead. I literally went to Walmart and got this because I just wanted to wave my hair so bad. And I found it for like $25, I think. Okay, after a while now, I'm just gonna go ahead and really move all the oils and dry shampoo in there. Okay, now here I work in like 3 different sections, and by that I mean I separate my hair through the middle, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna put this hair up, and then I'm gonna work by section. So I'm gonna work on this section first, then I'm gonna go off to that one, and I'll show you guys how. Okay, now that I have this hair up, I like to work in like smaller, medium-sized section. So I'm gonna put this up, and then I'm gonna work on this one, the waver here. And then I like to use a flat side towards me, like this. And there we go. And just make sure you wanna push the little extra hair that just came out upwards, so when it cools down, it starts to cool down in that waveform. Keep it in there 5-10 seconds. Okay, then once again, I am going to bring down another section. And then depending on how big the section is, you can obviously always split it. So like this. Me trying to grow my hair out, but I'm using heat on it. Okay, Bradley. Okay, guys. And that's how it's gonna be looking like that. I love these type of waves, like wavy hair. That I'll go ahead and finish this part, and then you guys can get an idea of what's gonna look like, and then I can show you guys this side after. Okay guys, so this is what it's starting to look like. And then another thing that I didn't talk about the Wave was that this actually heats up really fast. So that's something that I really like about it, that you don't really have to wait long for it to be heating up. Let me go ahead and finish the other side and we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what both sides being waved looks like. And for those that do follow me on Instagram, this is literally the same exact look I did for my New Year's look, but I did add mousse to it so I can give it more like a wet, wavy look. It does like kind of bring him down a little bit. Obviously if you keep adding more mousse, the curls or the wave is gonna look looser, which I love, like that. So you can obviously stop right here and maybe add some mousse if you want that wave look, but just a little bit not as tight. After this, what I do is I brush this back, right? Okay. I look so crazy. I grabbed these little liguitas, the ones that you use like after braiding your hair, like these elastics, esas liguitas. You know, I grabbed 3 so I can have extra support. I don't like to use these because I don't want a big old liga in the middle of my hair. It just doesn't look right. So I want these, and I use the black ones because obviously my hair is dark. So what I do is from one side of my ear, literally right here next to my little sideburn, and then the other side I go up like this, and let me take the extra hair out. Okay, and then you yourself start measuring out like how you want the ponytail to look, like if you want it small or if you want it fuller, or obviously if you have more hair you can obviously make everything fuller, but I think this is where I'm gonna keep it at, like this. And then I do like mine pretty tight, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the ligas, and I'm just gonna make a little chonguito, a little colita. Usually I think you can get like 3 vueltas out of this. A ver. Bueno, no se quebró, no se rompió. Ugh, I get so nervous when these are like super duper tight. Like, I just get nervous, like one's gonna pop in my hand because they hurt. Okay. Now what I like to do is I like to pull, like pull on it. So I'm gonna pull, okay, like this. And then from there, oh my gosh, I have makeup in my hair. I love to take out my little sideburn pelitos from here, like this. Hold on, let me acomodarme this a little bit better. Yes, like this. I'm so feeling myself right now. See, and it's just so cute. And it's super easy to do. I love the way it came out. I'm like obsessed with this look. I just love it. I love it. Me encanta cuando mi pelo siempre está así para arriba. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Maybe leave me some suggestions that you guys would like to see from me, or any more ideas for me to create for you guys. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you guys get notified when I do upload. Okay, bye guys.